Today, I'll show you how to freeze rows in LibreOffice Calc. Freezing rows is an essential skill that can significantly enhance your efficiency when working with large datasets. It allows you to keep specific rows visible while you scroll through the rest of your spreadsheet, which is particularly useful for keeping headers in view. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it for free from the official LibreOffice website. Once you've opened LibreOffice, locate and click on the Calc spreadsheet option. This is the tool we'll be working with today, and it's quite similar to Excel. So if you're familiar with that, you'll feel right at home here. Next, you'll want to enter the data you're working with into your spreadsheet. If you already have data, simply open the existing file. If you're starting from scratch, input your data into the appropriate cells. Make sure that the rows you want to freeze, such as headers, are filled in correctly at the top of your spreadsheet. Now it's time to highlight the rows you want to keep visible. Click on the row number on the left side of your spreadsheet to highlight the entire row. If you're freezing just the top row, click the number 1 to highlight it. If you want to freeze more than one row, click and drag your mouse down the row numbers to select multiple rows. With your rows highlighted, the next step is to right-click with your mouse. Doing so will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, you're looking for the option that says Freeze Rows and Columns. Click on this option. This feature will lock the highlighted rows in place, allowing you to scroll through the rest of your spreadsheet while keeping these rows in view. And there you have it. Your selected rows are now frozen and will remain visible as you navigate through your data. This is especially useful for maintaining context with headers or key information in large spreadsheets. A tip to keep in mind: if you ever need to unfreeze the rows, simply go back to the Freeze Rows and Columns option and click it again to toggle it off. This flexibility allows you to adjust your view as needed while working on different parts of your data. Remember, mastering these small yet powerful features in LibreOffice Calc can make a big difference in how you handle your daily data tasks. Whether you're managing a personal budget, running a business, or analyzing data, having quick access to the information you need without losing track of key details can save you time and effort. Hopefully, this tutorial has made the process clear and straightforward. Don't hesitate to practice this a few times until you're comfortable with it. Thank you for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.